Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am trying to get videos out in the order that I received PR. So this is the first one, and the next one is going to be from a different brand, but I want to get this one out today and the other one out tomorrow. That is my hope. So getting into these Born Pretty products, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty, and I will leave everything linked down below for this product as well. And of course, all of their products come with instructions on how to apply, remove, and so on and so forth. And so I just always show that this is included in the box, but I am very familiar with how things get applied at this point. So I just went ahead and got into the swatches and the product review. One thing I love about their packaging is that all of the numbers come in consecutive order already, 1 through 6. Very happy about that. And also with their packaging now, I also love the fact that they put the name of the actual like whatever series it is, they put the name of it on top of the lid now. So I think that is really cool. And as always, they have their little symbol on the front, or their little logo on the front, that you can see through and like kind of see what the colors are. Excuse me. I love their glitter polishes. They look really pretty in the bottles as well. And I also love the fact that they've come out with some HEMA-free options now, so I can't wait to get my hands on some of those. Like, I do PR a lot for Born Pretty because it is one of the brands that I have originally, like, I've just really loved them. You can see that this is the Neon Garden Iced Jelly set, and it's just really perfect for summer. This green lime is like really, really pretty. And then I actually really enjoyed the pink. The pink is literally like a highlighter pink, and I know it shows up pretty dark on camera, but it is so beautiful. Like, I am not a pink girl, but I really, really love the pink in this set. If you didn't want them to be as transparent, you could always paint them over white and so on and so forth. So yeah, this product is available on Amazon, and it is currently under $10. So I mean, hey, you can't really complain about that. It's very affordable right now, and again, these colors are just so gorgeous. So yeah, run over to Amazon and go ahead and pick you up this set. I just really, really, really love these. And as always, Born Pretty always has amazing deals on their website, so you can always use my bit.ly link and check those out as well. They do recommend that you shake these before you use them, and I did not, so the purple was a little streaky on the first coat, but the second coat, it turned out beautiful. So out of the 6 colors, I chose to use these 5 for a very specific reason that you will see here in a moment. So I wasn't really keen on the green color, but it is a very, very pretty spring green, and really, really nice jelly green. And then I was like, you know what? I actually kind of like it because it was giving me like green apple vibes. And then I also got something from Amazon that you'll see here in a little bit that I was like, okay, yeah, this is perfect. When we get to the design element of this. So, and I don't know why I'm trying to keep it a secret, because you'll probably see it in the title of the video or in the thumbnail that these are fruit nails. And so yeah, very spring, actually more kind of like very summery design, but I really, really loved this design. So but here I'm just showing you more application and swatching and how easily these go on, and I love how they self-level. So as you can see, even with just one coat, I actually really enjoyed this red as well. It's very, very bright, which is why I chose to do this nail with a cherry design, or put the cherry on the pinky nail, because it was just giving me cherry red. But I just love how translucent these are. They're not like 100% translucent, but they're also not super opaque, and they're just like the perfect consistency of jelly. Like, I love it. And even the yellow was just so gorgeous. Like, yeah, that's what they were looking like with 2 coats. And then here are the charms that I chose to decorate these nails with. So again, I did buy those on Amazon. Like I mentioned, I always try to leave everything linked down below, but I definitely, and I also use them. I chose not to do the strawberry because in my next video, you'll see why. Oh, then my next video, that set turned out super cute. So can't wait to post that one. But I forgot everything edited. I just need to put everything all together and do my voiceovers. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see that one. But so stay tuned because I have some cool stuff coming up. And I feel like I haven't posted like actually doing nails or a set for a while. So I always do 20-piece sets when I make press-ons because you never know what sizes people wear. And so they're not as customizable maybe as they would be if someone was buying them, or if I knew people's sizes and they actually had a sizing kit and things like that. So always do 20-piece sets initially. So of course I'm just showing you like the main set part of the set that I did. And then I decided to go in with these bubble beads. I was going to use AB crystals and kind of just spread like different sizes around. I thought AB would look really pretty with these because these little charms have like iridescent glitters in them as well, and they're just so cute. But I felt like the bubble beads would be like, instead of doing like the bubble effect on the nail, I thought the bubble beads would just be a really good accent to this design. So here I am showing you, I'm just applying these. So I had a little bit of rhinestone glue left over around the tube. I did use quite a bit to apply the charms because I wanted to make sure they were completely encapsulated underneath with the charm glue. And the other thing I love about this rhinestone glue is it's very, very clear and it's very, very sturdy. And on these jelly nails, you can't even tell where there's like a little bump or maybe a little bit of extra glue or things like that, because these jellies are just so see-through and they apply so well. So I just really enjoyed this set in general. It took me forever to come up with this nail design, and normally it doesn't take me that long, or I know exactly what I want to do when I get an invite for PR, when I see the colors that I have to choose from or whatever the PR is. And I had so many ideas for these jelly nails, but ultimately after I saw the fruit, I was like, that is exactly what I want to do, because I buy a lot of charms and then I don't use them or whatever the case may be. And I've never done like a chunky charm nail design, but I definitely want to get into that more and use the charms that I have. So yeah, you're definitely going to see some fun designs coming up and I really can't wait. So, but back to these nails, I want to thank Born Pretty so much for sending me these jelly nail or this set. It is very, very gorgeous. And any of the press-on sets that I do on my channel, they are for sale. And for something like this, I would probably charge around $40 because the charms aren't extremely expensive and it's really just gel polish with a few things on it that I can easily replace. So yeah. So if you're interested in this set, it is for sale for around $40. And then on the extra nails, I just did the bubble beads. I did not do the other charms. So if you would like a specific color and a different size fits and different things like that, you just don't know what people like, but you'll see the full set here in the end. And of course I went in with my Born Pretty super top coat, and then I just turned the nail upside down because it is a little bit more on the runny side. I did not top coat over the big charms, but I did top coat over the bubble beads. And as always, I did go ahead and cure my top coat for 2 minutes, and this is what they are all looking like, and they're just so gorgeous. As always, thank you so much for being the best part of my channel, and I will see you in my next video.